to a project experiment number 4, animal feeding space. Now open Unity and download the assets file from the Moodle. You can get this assets file course library from the Moodle page. Inside this course page we have source file animals, food and humans. And now create a plane from the three objects. Next, apply the material colors. You can go to the source file. There is the material. You can choose what material you want. You can give black or gray, whatever materials you can want. Now we place the elements. We mean to place characters. Now go to the animals. Pick any 3 animals from those dogs, farm, forest. Whichever animals you want, you can pick. Next, take an human. Take anyone, you choose any human and place it in the or above the animals, and take one food and place it here. Now we have to code for the. Now the project is going to. Now the animals are moving to forward towards the player, and the player serves the food. That his animal will disappear. This is the key. Now we are going to create project. So C# file. Now open, move forward. Right. In this file we have given the speed of 20 force. Image moving code, and here the code transform, translate, .3.forward time, delta time speed. This ensures the speed of the characters to move forward towards the character. Apply the move forward file to the animals which have moved towards the characters, and this is player controller. To move the player controller left and right and serve the food. Here you can see projected preferable we have serving the food. The unit function or the horizontal input, speed and X-range. The X-range means the left and right range is going. Public game object projected program. The game object I think the food which have served. Void start update, transfer position, left side and right side. Horizontal input, get access horizontal. Based on this object will move. The projected program nothing. When we click the space button, the food will serve to the animals. That's it. Next we can run and see the. If we run this object. This is camera angle. When we run, the animals will move forward and the characters will move left and right, and the food will be served. Okay, now next. This is the phase 1, and phase 2 is detect collision and spawn manager. We have to create a null object for spawn manager. Here we have given the animal profile elements. Advantage and those animals will disappear. To get the position, we have only two line of code. When the object hits the animal hits the object or person, it will disappear. We call the function destroy the game object. Wherever the food and the animal. The two things are destroyed when the player is. For that we have given detect collision. We can see each is we have given a box collider, which means it has a box collider. A player also has a box collider. When the two boxes hit, it will disappear. This is how the game is work. And we have to add the prefab. And the animal prefabs. to add those foods which are used in the perform folder. We have to add which food we have to going to be served. We have served food sample. This food will be projected towards the animals, and when they eat it, it will disappear. This is projected figure. Spawn manager, it is a big code. This one is the animals spawn randomly and disappear, and return randomly. The animals will move towards the character. This is the animal profiles, which means the animal will have profile that will comes randomly. We can describe where it comes on its way, where the range is start delays how many seconds each animal will come. We have 1.2 interval time. Invoke repeating means the animals communicates repeatedly, which spawn random animal, start and delay is spam through. Give it 2 seconds, the animal will move forward to the player randomly. Spawn random animal, which controls the random animal which comes. Animal range, random range 0, animal profile start length. How many animals are that's place which will come. Vector 3 spam post new vector random dot range minus ranges spam ranges 0 spam 0. This is coordinates which animals where the directions will go forward and which directions the instantiate. We have instantiate each animal profiles are move forwards. This will go over. And for animals we have to have related collision for box collider. So you can search in the add element and type box collider. Don't choose box in the 2D. For 2D objects we have created 3D game for 3D I have already selected. It will show the box collider. You can adjust the box collider according to the element. That one is correctly. You see, I have adjusted the box collider for particular animal. For some other animals, we can't see box collider. See, it is not here. Even if it will cause error when the moving the object. Okay, this is so this. Have animal 3 and this will animal which spawn randomly goes forward. Okay, this is the whole video. We have this face and the run project will go dance randomly.